Hello there, and welcome to step 4. As you can see, this is going to be a pretty quick one because all we need are a couple of things. I like to make sure that that line there looks like the table. We'll get more into that soon. The parts you're going to need for this assembly are going to be the gearbox just finished, the motor, and there's going to be inside this bag here is going to be the white pinion. We'll go ahead and show that to you. Okay, let's start with the pinion and the motor. What I like to do is put the pinion on the table and then push the motor all the way in. So now you can see that the pinion is flush to the end. And that's all you need to do there. We want to make sure that the flange doesn't run into the wires here. So we're going to orient it like this, snap it in, and it should click. As you can see, right in here is where the interface goes, and this is where I like to do a quick little check. My quick little check looks like this. I've got a battery. I have the positive side and the negative side on the battery. Typically, these are 1.5 volt batteries, so they aren't going to hurt you unless you eat them or cut them open. So they've got bad stuff on the inside, but they won't hurt you on the outside. I like to check my whole electromechanical section by simply putting that there, putting this here, and it's magic. Mine works. Great. Let's go on to step 5.